The National Weather Service in Grand Forks has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Norman County in northwestern Minnesota, southwestern Mahnomen County in northwestern Minnesota, northwestern Becker County in northwestern Minnesota, until 3:45 p.m. At 3:06 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Flom, or 29 miles northwest of Detroit Lakes, moving northwest at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Mahnomen, Twin Valley, Walden, Gary, Ojema, White Earth, and Flom. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.